Okay. So at the moment, there are disparate disease burden estimates for influenza and RSV that have been developed by the IHME, the University of Edinburgh, the US CDC, and the WHO. And these are completely disparate, and they're not helpful for policymakers to make evidence-based decisions on introducing new vaccines. So what this BIRD project entails is to try and bring all these stakeholders together, the US CDC, the IHME, the University of Edinburgh, Nivelle, WHO, and try and sort of harmonize these disease burden estimates using common data sources and common analytic approaches. So hopefully in future we will not be having very disparate estimates, and we can all agree on a set of estimates that have been jointly developed.